What if everything you have ever seen, every person, every mountain, every ocean, and every star you know, is only a tiny piece of something far beyond imagination? Our planet Earth feels enormous to us, but in the grand scale of the universe, it is almost too small to notice. The Sun is so huge that around 1 million Earths could fit inside it. But the Sun and its planets are just a small neighborhood known as our solar system. If you traveled across our solar system, you would discover distances so huge they are difficult for the human mind to understand. Light is the fastest thing we know, traveling about 300,000 kilometers every second. To measure the enormous distances in space, scientists use a unit called a light year. The distance light travels in one entire year. The closest star beyond our Sun is Proxima Centauri, more than 4 light-years away. The solar system shrinks into a tiny dot, while a huge spiral galaxy is drawn around it. Billions of star doodles appear. Our solar system is only a tiny speck inside the Milky Way, a galaxy containing hundreds of billions of stars. Our solar system is located far from the center of the Milky Way, hidden among hundreds of billions of other stars. It would take light around 100,000 years to travel from one side of our galaxy to the other. If you tried to count every star in our galaxy one by one, it could take millions of years. And our galaxy is not alone. Space is filled with countless other galaxies, each containing billions of stars. The nearest large galaxy to us is Andromeda, located about 2.5 million light-years away. Galaxies are not randomly scattered. They gather together in enormous families called galaxy clusters. On the largest scales, the entire universe looks like a giant web made of billions of connected galaxies. The part of the universe we can observe is unbelievably enormous and contains hundreds of billions of galaxies. The observable universe is estimated to be around 93 billion light-years across. But the universe is not standing still. Since the Big Bang, space itself has been expanding in every direction. Scientists believe the universe began around 13.8 billion years ago in an event known as the Big Bang. In its earliest moments, the universe was incredibly hot and dense. As it expanded, it cooled and allowed matter to form. Hundreds of millions of years later, the first stars ignited and began lighting up the darkness of space. Gravity pulled billions of stars together, creating the magnificent galaxies we observe today. Surprisingly, most of the matter in the universe is invisible. Scientists call this mysterious substance dark matter. An even bigger mystery is dark energy, the unknown force causing the expansion of the universe to accelerate. Some scientists have proposed the idea of a multiverse, where our universe might be only one among many. Even with our most powerful telescopes, we have only explored a tiny fraction of the cosmic story. Our entire planet is just a tiny dot inside a universe so vast that the human mind struggles to imagine it. The greatest mystery may be that no matter how much we discover, the universe always has more secrets waiting for us. Some of the most mysterious objects in the universe are black holes, where gravity is so powerful that not even light can escape. Almost every large galaxy, including our Milky Way, is believed to have a supermassive black hole at its center. The largest structures in the universe are giant networks of galaxies stretching across billions of light-years. Light travels faster than anything we know, but even at this amazing speed, crossing the universe would take billions of years. When we look deep into space, we are actually looking back in time because the light from distant objects takes millions or billions of years to reach us. No one knows exactly how the universe will end. It may continue expanding forever, or it could have a fate we have not discovered yet. With billions of galaxies and countless planets, many scientists wonder whether life exists somewhere else in the universe. Advanced telescopes and space missions are helping humans uncover more secrets about the universe every single year. From our tiny planet to the observable universe, the scale of everything around us is almost impossible to imagine. The universe is the greatest mystery humanity has ever faced, and we have only just begun our journey to understand it.